What is fucking going on, people? It's your boy Lieber here, and today we're riding with the boy Kevin. I'm not with Kevin right now because I'm doing my intro prior to meeting up with Kevin so that it's not loud as shit. That looks like a sick ass place to... Dude, that looks like a nice ass place to rip up. I didn't even think of that. Whoa. It's such a nice place, dude. Love this place. So yeah, I'm going... If you guys watched the Halloween episode, you saw where I crashed up by... That was pretty embarrassing. That was really sad, actually. But that's where I'm going right now to make sure there's no cops. Because my boy Kevin's about to go through it, and I just don't want him to, you know, run into the fuzz on the way here. But yeah, we're out here. Dude, what? Where am I? When do I ever not know where I am? I've never been down that way, actually, so... And we're here. We're just about to be chilling right here. Let's check it out. This must be the boy Kevin. Dude, this thing's huge.
Yeah, it's 200.
If you have turn signals, like...
Yeah, it's street legal, but I don't have any tags or anything.
Shit, boy.
Not even registered.
Skirt. And we're out of here. I'm good. Woo! So we're back with the homie Kevin. We're just gooning. Look at his fucking bike. It's so big. Oh my goodness. Cooking up the sidewalks as per usual. That thing looks, it's literally street legal except without a tag. If a cop comes, we're out of here. Woo! I love this. So yeah, we're back with the man's Kevin. I think he used to have a KTM 250 or something. I think this is a 200. It says 200 on it. So I presume. But yeah, that shit's street legal without a tag. Damn. I'd be a lot less sketched to ride that thing than this thing. Because it has no turn signals, no lights, nothing that tells people, yo, I'm here, and shit, like... Yeah, and he has, like, rearview mirrors. I need those for when I'm riding around the street. I need to make sure no one's behind me that's gonna run into me. Because at least he has not brake lights. Maybe those are brake lights. Who even knows? Kevin's pimped out right now. Pimp daddy. That's freaking sexy. Alright, I'm hitting the stairs. Fuck! Hold up, let me hit these stairs.
Boy, my bike can't do that unless it's like enough.
Alright, wait. I'm gonna do it then. Yo, I saw people though. Oh shit, what is this guy doing? What? That's weird. still haven't finished my 200 edit at the recording of this video. And I've not even started, honestly. I need to start that. Kevin. What's up? Oh, it's so fun. God damn. Wait till it's green and then we go. We made it.
One of the fields that I usually ride in,
Whoa. Riding with other people, I sort of never really talk, like to myself, to the camera, you know, to you guys, as much as I would when I'm just alone. So sorry about that.
All the sex around my neck. I'm sipping on the sexes. I'm so wavy, I could get you swimming lessons. I'm so wavy, I could get you swimming lessons. Maserati drop top flex. Yeah, I'm flexing. And I ain't worried about my ass, bitch. I'm so wavy, I could get you swimming lessons. I'm so wavy, I could get you swimming lessons. All the sex around my necklace. Ice gang. I'm sipping on the sex, so bet you a stay. Bitch, she say that I'm finesse.
Hello. I'm a goon. Taking a right. I see that with the little blinkers. Let's see how long Kevin's blinker stays on for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14, 15. The dude's not gonna turn his blinker off, okay? Let's just say that. Oh yeah. The paths. Cooking up the sidewalks or the paths. His blinker's on the paths. That's amazing. This is so chill. It's such a great little place. I can't hit that. That kind of scared me, that car. Oh, she was that a cop? Huh, well. Hey, there's the same biker guy. Hi again. Your blinker was on that whole time! Your blinker! Blinker! What? You're so hot right now. Welcome to the spot. Let's fucking do it, boys. Kevin can fit. Let's get it. Woo. Scary. Bye-bye. And we're out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, because your boy wants to be liked.